Imagine waking up in the morning with endless sand dunes, distant snowy mountains, or a peaceful beach in front of you. And everything you need to enjoy these beautiful views is right at your fingertips. The future of mobile living is here with the 2026 Honda Motorhome. This is not just a caravan, but a lifestyle filled with technology, comfort, and adventure. Exterior design, an adventure machine from the future. The 2026 Honda Motorhome catches attention at first glance with its bright orange color and black accents. The LED light panel at the front and the light strips surrounding the Honda logo give it a futuristic look. The side profile features large off-road wheels, matte plastic wheel arches, and automatic sliding doors, showing this vehicle is ready for both comfort and tough travels. At the back, boomerang-shaped LED rear lights and a wide panoramic glass panel create a premium, high-tech aesthetic. This design is not just beautiful but functional. It looks like a home ready for any adventure. Interior, the new definition of comfort and luxury. As you step inside, you'll feel like you're in a luxury hotel room. The soft leather seats with fine stitching elevate the tactile experience. Large panoramic windows and a glass panel in the roof bring natural light and stunning views of the outdoors. On the right, a fully equipped compact kitchen includes a 2-burner induction stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, and even a coffee machine. Everything you need to feel at home while traveling. On the left, there's a convertible sofa bed, perfect for daytime seating and nighttime sleeping. Integrated LED lights in the ceiling and side panels create a warm and modern atmosphere. The most exciting feature is the hidden mini shower and toilet at the back, completing the feeling of a truly mobile home. Technology and performance, the power of the future, hybrid. The 2026 Honda Motorhome will impress you not only with its design, but also with its technology. The heart of this caravan features a new generation hybrid system that combines a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a total output of approximately 210 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque. Even when fully loaded, the vehicle is agile and powerful. The power is transmitted to the front or all 4 wheels via a CVT transmission. Honda's Real-Time AWD technology provides optimal traction on rainy roads, rough terrain, and mountainous regions. The electric motor operates nearly silently in urban mode, with fuel consumption close to zero in this setting. The roof-mounted solar panel provides energy for lighting and the refrigerator, a true treasure for camping enthusiasts. The average fuel consumption is only 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, quite impressive for a vehicle of this size. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 9.5 seconds. Comparison with competitors, Honda leads the way. The 2026 Honda Motorhome stands out from competitors like the Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo, Volkswagen California, and Ford Nugget. Honda offers a more technological interior, better fuel efficiency, and a competitive price. In terms of design, it is more futuristic than Volkswagen, and in terms of performance, it provides a more balanced driving experience than Ford. Price and release date. The official unveiling of the 2026 Honda Motorhome is expected in December 2025, with sales starting in the spring of 2026. The base model will be priced around $55,000, while fully equipped versions will range from $70,000 to $80,000, $75,000. This is a very reasonable price for the technology, comfort, and freedom it offers. Conclusion: your shelter on the road. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's your home in the mountains, on the beach, or in the forest. Combining technology, luxury, and adventure, this caravan is ready to change your lifestyle. If you want to travel, explore, and enjoy the comforts of home at the same time, this model was made for you. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content.